Well, any look at the health system to just find small steps that can be taken is worthwhile. So whether or not this achieves a big idea is yet to be seen.
There are a few scenarios. Either nothing substantially happens and there's just incremental change, so we're left muddling through. I guess the worst case scenario, where effectively the Commonwealth passes the financial fiscal buck to the states and says, we're cutting funding to you, that's your problem. But we know that states don't have the financial capacity to deal with that. So I guess the worst case scenario is the review of the federation and of the tax system actually leaves our public health system in a more tenuous position.
Federal governments to work cooperatively with state governments, not to use the big threat. And I think ultimately what we have to do is bring people with us, including all the important health stakeholders that will be critical to getting a good outcome.
I think what we should at least try and do is start the discussion, and I think we should look for that low-hanging fruit of areas where we can produce the greatest benefit, the greatest improvement for the least cost, and they're usually around regulation that can be easily changed with both houses.